Hi, my name's Mitz and I'm just going to show you how to share files and folders with other computers on your network. So the first thing we're going to do is find out what computers are on our network. So we're going to go down to the Start menu and we're going to choose My Network Places. Now this will show us what computers are on the network. Okay, so we've got Frank, okay, and we've got Mitz1, and at the moment there's a folder being shared called My Webs from Mitz1. Okay, we can go in here and have a look and see what Frank's sharing with us. Nothing much interesting. We're going to share something with that one. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. So what we can do is we're going to open up my computer. Okay. Now it comes up with all these things here. Now there is one way I can I've got a shared documents folder, so if I want I can just drop things into there. So if I go and open up a copy of my documents again, okay, and I copy a file from there, I just choose copy, and then I'm going to go and paste it into this. This is in my computer again. Now I'm going to paste it into this folder. I'm going to open it up and right click in the blank space, and then I'm going to choose paste, and that'll paste that folder there. Okay, we'll go back and check to make sure it's been shared in a minute. Now I want to share something else. Now that's one way of doing it. That you can just put the files straight in there. Okay, another way is that I can share the complete folder of something. So what I'm going to do is share my documents. So there's my documents, and I'm going to right click on it and choose sharing and security. Okay, now the properties comes up for it. Now it also gives you a choice to make this folder private, which you can do. It also will open up the shared documents folder so you can put files in there, but what I want to do is just share the complete folder. Okay, and they've got the name there, My Documents. Okay, and it also has a little option here to let the users change the files. Now that means that they can edit any file they like and save it, and it'll be overwritten. So you have to be very careful if you tick that box. Okay, if you don't want anyone to touch your files or change them in any way, then you need to leave that unticked. Okay, so now we're going to go down the bottom and press. Now if you don't press that, it doesn't happen. Okay, now we're going to press OK. Right, now we've got the hand underneath Mitz's documents, and also the hand under this one here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is close that. Just press the cross up in the corner, and then we're going to go back to My Network Places, and we'll just okay, so what we'll do is I just usually press F5 on the keyboard and it will refresh the window. Now what that did is add the folder that I just added, My Documents on Mitz. There it is. Now that's shared. Now that means that that computer named Frank can get to that. Okay, so we're going to have a look anyway. Okay, it's going to show the whole of my documents in there. It's also sharing that one there. Now what I'm going to do now is go onto another computer and do the same thing, and I'm going to show you that it's going to show up here. Okay, so what I did is I went to the computer named Frank, and I actually shared my documents. So what I'm going to do is I'm in the My Network Places dialog box again, which is in the Start menu, and it's showing me what's shared. Now I'm just going to press F5 again. I'm going to click in here and then I'm going to press F5 and it refreshes the window. Okay, so now it's added shared documents on Frank. Okay, and my documents on Frank. So we're going to have a look and see what Frank's got on his computer. Okay, he's got a bit more stuff than I have. Okay, well, anyway, he's got a fair bit of stuff there. I'll have a look in here. He's just got the normal average pictures, pretty boring. Any music? Not really, no. Yeah, that's about it. I'll just have a look in here. Oh, okay, he's been scanning some documents there. Yeah, well, that's about it. So that's what Frank's sharing at the moment. So that's how easy it is to share something. Now, yeah, so if it's just a simple file, you just drop it into, you go to My Computer. Okay, I'll just do it quickly again. You go to My Computer and you open up this folder here and you drop whatever you like in there. Okay, now when I go to this one here, My Documents on MITS, that's shared, and this is the actual folder that I dumped those things in. So there it is there. Okay, now that's just a simple little file, but this is a whole entire folder being shared. Now I can also, here's another thing, I'll go to My Computer again. Right, My Computer, you find My Computer on the Start menu. Now I've got my hard drive partitioned here. Now I can just right click on that, that's D drive, and press Sharing and Security. Okay, now this is just to show that I know what I'm doing. Then the next part comes up and it says share it, and it's called D, and I'm going to allow other network people to change it, because that's basically just my storage area there. So we always save files to it and back up our stuff over there. Okay, so what we're going to do is go down the bottom and press apply. Might take a little bit longer because it is an actual like 200 gig hard drive. Okay, now it's finished and we're just going to press OK. And now if we have a look at it now, it's got that hand underneath it, and so is My Documents. So we're going to close that and we're going to go and press F5 and we're in My Network Places again, and there we go, it's come up. Now let's have a look at what people see. There you go, they absolutely see everything. There we go. Okay, thanks for listening. If you want to visit the website, it's tipsforpc.com. Okay, see you later.